welcome you all with my love and respects. I'll continue on the yesterday's sutra. In the third chapter, 45th verse, Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, Stula Swarupa Sukshma Anyartavatva Sanyamat Bhutanjayaha. Through samyama on the grass and the fine forms of elements, their essential traits, the inherence of the gunas in them, and they are contributing to the experience of the soul, comes the mastery of the elements. This is Swami Vivekananda's translation. See, in this in this sutra, there are three sacred secrets. One, falling in tune with the elements, connecting or conquering the elements, or going beyond the elements. There are three components. Only the second component, like a conquering and going beyond, only takes a lot of time. Too much of samyama. I can say that meticulous practices are required. In the first level, falling in tune does not need much meticulous practices. It can really help to change your life, transform your life. It can really add so much to you. I'll give you more tips and methods and techniques for this first level, like a falling in tune for that. As I said yesterday, the world and my world. Today I'll give this as a homework for all the satsangis. Do it and come back. Sit and pen down wherever the world and my world is not in tune, conflict, contradiction. Sit and pen down. When you are able to dig it out, the world and my world, the contradictions and conflicts, you will see exactly it boils down to some form of misunderstanding with elements. Elements which are acting in your body. For example, the fire element's representation is there in your stomach. Water element's representation is there in your blood. Earth element's representation is your bone marrow and bone. Air energy's representation is your breathing. Space energy's representation is your thinking. So if you boil it down, where the conflict is, and if you do samyama just on that element, you will be conflict free. So do this as a homework. Today, I'll stop just with this homework. Finish this homework and come back tomorrow. I'll give you the methods on doing samyama on all the five, so that you can experience that being in tune with the elements. So today, with this homework, I'll let you guys do the homework and come back. Tomorrow, I'll give you tomorrow 5 major samyama techniques to work on. Samyama on fire, samyama on water, samyama on earth, samyama on air, and samyama on space. So that you can fall in tune. Please understand, through the samyamas you can't conquer, you can fall in tune. You will receive information. but you can't change or conquer. I think even that much will be a big help for you to live your life. So I bless you all. Understand the homework thoroughly. I want to give once more the instruction for homework. Sit and pen down all the conflict you have between the world and my world. It will be a huge 5,000-page book. Pen down. It is good. Then classify them. The conflicts related to body, earth. Conflict related to blood circulation. Some diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, all the blood related disease. Conflicts related to prana, air circulation. Conflicts related to the mind, space. So all 5, pen down and classify. Tomorrow I will guide you into the deeper solutions. Solution samyamas. I bless you all. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate and share the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion, your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. My life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection.